chỉ bây giờ vẽ cô lẽ với chú hay cái mũ ta phủ đều sẽ cái mũ bawngsa curry te ka siam ve vai deuh hlekin masala te nen chuanin hei hi bawngsa ruhkawlchhum ka chhuma a tui hang hian antam feren hi ka thlak a chuan hei hi chu chawtani salad ang kha ni mai kanon ei le cheu don tera
and weird rice
chuanin kan chaw hi mo mak lut tuk hei bu thar ka chhuma I en chuanin mizo bu nen kha ne nang ma se ka chhum hian bu a ang lo tui chau tui chu
tui
a bun
not bad.
Oh, I forgot the spoon for this.
That's okay.
Chawtani karim tui la tuk.
Bawngsa. Bawngsa.
Soup po tui.
Oh, I think look like this. Bawngsa tui lutok.
Tui mo. Vai rồi mà năm chấm chấm nữa. Được rồi. Vai rồi.
A little. Because of masala.
Salad đây rồi.
Thank you. Lutok.
Thật là khoa.
I'm crying. Salad. So good, look off.
Okay. Don't touch it. No. Don't put it back.
No, I'll not put it back. Sorry. Kika going crazy.
So you want to play?
the sauce. So good. I have to do more times. Curry.
You like it?
I love it. So tasty.
That it was a vibe.
It's fine. No. Those times we eat in Thai restaurant, I usually don't like their food.
Also don't know.
They put so many masala. I like masala, but like this, just in the right quantity.
Yeah. I remember moving somewhere.
Remember when?
I think you like the food.
I think so. Remember when I was coming back in Kolkata? I was hungry, and I went to buy food in Kolkata airport. And I look at the dishes and I don't know. I don't know what is good, what is not. So I buy. I don't remember the name. Well, some kind of rice bread, I think.
I also don't know. I never ate it.
It's like a rice bread, and they add some curry and some, I think, white sauce. I think it's like some yogurt sauce, I think. And some bean, I think, on the curry. I tasted the curry, hypnotic. Impossible to eat. It tasted like dust, like masala dust only. But not like. No, yeah, it tasted like you open the masala box and just put in your mouth. Yeah, impossible to eat. Impossible.
So what did you eat?
I just throw out. I throw out. And I went to. There was this sandwich. It was not only me that throw out. There was some Indians that buy and just eat just a tiny bit and throw out because it's impossible. It was crazy, crazy. And I went to the sandwich, like coffee shop with sandwiches.
Some place in somewhere Indian food. It's not very bad. I also like that. Chicken curry, beef curry, vegetable curry.
I ate with you when we were coming back from
Nearby
Mysore.
Saram.
Yeah, that was an Indian restaurant, right? And I ate the chicken biryani. It was amazing.
Yeah.
But that one in the airport, impossible. Just impossible.
Bit more. Wait, still have more. You can take more.
Just one more.
No.
One more there.
Yeah.
Wait. want more meat also? You want more meat?
Yeah.
I'll put more. I want more meat, but I don't want more rice. Too long.
Don't like the rice?
No. It's crunchy. Not bad, not good.
Not bad, not good.
Nothing like.
Normal rice.
We usually make jasmine rice. Thai.
Jasmine, oh, Thai. China Dora. Later, Oma. Arim to it.
The ones that we try on the Chinese, right? Chinese restaurant. So fragrant. What more, Ancha?
How about you?
No, I just eat this one. It's okay.
Okay.
You
Enough.
don't want?
I'll finish my soup. Vô in số 7 cái xem là ba.
I also can make this with bawngsa.
Can I? You want to try?
Yeah. I think it'll be even more tasty.
I don't think so.
No?
Breakfast more tasty like this, right?
Beef, for me, the perfect steak. I like this, but I like more just with salt.
Fry with butter.
No, yeah, with butter. Medium rare. Perfect. That's the perfect
I don't want.
for me.
Tươi nào, tươi nào.
Zero.
Là xong chưa? Súp hi ngay là lẩu ra rồi. Súp ấy ngay là.
This one. And I think finish.
Thank you.
Yeah, finish.
Sila mo ay sakin ay ra.
We also have persimmon for dessert today.
Finish it in? Okay. people want it.
To say bye bye to them.
Yeah. There. Wait. Here. Let me show you.
That one.
Comment.
Quick.
Check the comment. Vale, fuck it.
Badal Faki.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ấy rồi rất đơn cho tôi đi.
Vanlal Tara. Vanlal Tara. Bye bye. Oh. Plantei Fanai.
Plantei pha này.
Plantei Fanai. Bye bye. See how they know. This one right. So, Nemi? I think so.
Oh, Nemi.
Nemi, bye bye. Me try this one again. So
Curry chế. Curry lên chế bằng này. À curry hết chút chút tiền lâu trăng lâu mà 80 pon nữa. Let me take my tissue first.
Mabiaki Ralte. Bye bye. I think I said right.
Mabiaki Ralte.
John Sangzwala.
Sangzwala.
Bye bye.
Say hello to him.
Oh.
I want to say hello to him.
MK
Guite.
MK Guite. Hello. We'll continue making videos, don't worry.
Cho ai lâu thiếu rằng đâu rồi TV lại thì không có cắt TV à, cắt TV cắt thiam lâu vắngเลยcho lâu có dày lâu vắngเลยin em lệ tắc ngay choang lâu cho ai lại hi viewers cái này chơi đấy giờ là hay pon làm bằng quay cam na tiếng rằng thế cái rồi tí làm khăn viewers cái này chơi lâu lúc Anh nghe chân cái xe là YouTube mình recommend sạc lâu nghe cái xe là khá không mà ăn mặc luôn cho ai line là hay shopping mall còn nó về tập bộ khá còn đa về thôi mà sẽ in lâu rồi
I think I sell.
mà anh tính nghe lâu tiếng này nó đâm tiêu cho cùng thay February thật tốt lắm mà That's all?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so. If I miss someone, I'm sorry. But I think I've seen everyone that was requesting me. Yeah, I also see Rakam is so good at reading miso names. I also don't know. I just try because I hear miso so much. Especially with you, always listening to Pasalcha stories. So I think I'm getting my ear is trained about how the words are pronunciated, even though most of them I don't know the meaning.
Pasal siya ngay siya china mo Kuzan mut na le ko hun ola pya ngin chuanin motora kan chuan dun re rang han mi zo la kan ngai siya chin bu khang bang kha ani ka ring ati le chu mi zo tong hi ka thiam hei ka lam thiam ati ani ve ang beng ina asla reng sa reng ko kai po an tong hi tem to ka thiam be to kala zero so lo nang na le tia ka bula mi en lo tong han và soi thuốc thầy lâu mấy là xét thêm trên cái này đó. Còn video thì mình làm anh sắp dễ là ngon được cái nào. Portuguese strong thì còn dễ hậu đón nha. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you later. Subscribe, like, comment.